Michelle here of Culinary Kisses. How are you? It is so good to see you guys today. Thank you for joining us. This is our next to last free tutorial. I'm so sad about it. The last one is tonight at 7 p.m. So if you haven't registered, please make sure you register, okay? Go to our Facebook page, which is Culinary Kisses, and go to events, and you'll be able to register for tonight's class. Even if you can't make the 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, make sure you register because you'll still get access to on-demand watching that class. So today is dedicated to vegan. We're doing a vegan sour cream, which will change your life, trust me. And tonight we're doing a kale and bean chili, and we're doing it using the Instapot, but of course you can also do it on the stove in your favorite stock pot, okay? So let's get started. This is gonna be quick and easy, but this is a recipe that I came up with that I absolutely love, okay? So let's get to it, shall we? I'm so excited. All right, let's get plugged in here. There we go. And let's tilt so you guys can see. Actually, let's go this way. Will that way be better? So you can see, there we go. That's what I want you guys to see. Let's back it up a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. There, that should do it. Okay, I just want to make sure you guys can see up close. Let me anchor this. All right, so we are making this sour cream based on cashews. And the cashews have to be raw, unsalted, just whole cashews. And what we've done is we have soaked them in warm water. That way they're softer, so when they blend smoother, okay? And we're also going to use the juice of a lime. We're going to use some organic vegetable broth and some sea salt, and then a little bit of apple cider vinegar. All right, now to make this a little more cheesy and still keep it vegan, you can add some, not that, you can add some nutritional yeast. I just thought about it at the last minute and I wanted to show you guys that. So that's an option if you want to make it more cheesy, okay? So let's get to this recipe. So like I said, the basic of it is, scoot that over, is the cashews. Okay, so I need to drain these. I want the liquid off. So let me go ahead and drain those right now. Here we go. So I'm just gonna pour this right into here. Get rid of this. And then when I pick it up, you know the liquid's in the bottom, right? Can you guys see? Let me back it up just a little bit. Move some of the stuff out of the way and scoot this over. There we go. All right, so you see we have our cashews in here, right? And this should be about 1 cup. So let's go ahead and measure. And again, this is considered a dry ingredient, so I'm using this to measure it with. Okay, so let me move my liquid over. I'm gonna keep that just in case, and I'm gonna measure this. I didn't measure it before, I just kind of eyeballed it. I told you guys I'm good at eyeballing. What? Told you guys I was good at that. All right, so let's get this into our container here. And I am using a NutriBullet, as you can see. I'll get these out of the way also. Now, what's next is we are going to use 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It's 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. All right, and I'm using these spoons. I'm gonna give it a little shake here. Open it up and put in 1 full teaspoon. All right, it spilled over a smidgen, but that's okay. We're okay with that. Now next I want to add my sea salt, and that is 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1/8 of a teaspoon. All right, and this is actually, I don't want mine to be that salty, so I'm not gonna fill it to the rim. All right, and you can adjust the seasonings. It's totally up to you. I want to add 1/4 cup of the low sodium vegetable broth. Now, if you're using full sodium, I would recommend that you adjust your salt intake for this as well. So I have it measured off at 1/4 cup. I'm going to pour that in there. And I use this because this is for measuring liquids. Okay, I'm going to set that aside as well. Now, last but not least, the only thing we have left is our lime juice. Now, you can use lemon for this. Totally, you can use lemon for this if you need to. I actually love using lime for this because I love the flavor that it gives. And of course, you know, you can use a juicer if you want to. I hardly ever use juicers. I'm surprised I even have one. I actually probably only use it when I'm teaching cooking classes and the hands-on classes. I have it for my students who want to use the juicer, but for the most part, this is what I'm doing right here. I hardly ever use one. Okay, let's get that good lime juice off in the container. Just like that. That should do it. All right, now we're ready to blend. Let me rinse my hands off. All right. Let's get the blade on here, and then we'll be ready to blend. There we go. How does that look? It looks pretty good, huh? I want you guys to see this up close. Now, the key to making vegan sour cream is you have to let it go until the cashews have completely smoothed out. And as you can see that? So I want a little bit more, just a smidgen more, not a lot. I don't want it to be too runny either. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm adding, what was that? A teaspoon. I did 2/2 teaspoons, so that's 1 teaspoon. Okay, now we're going to let it go again, and we're going to let it blend until we can look through here, and it looks like it's a pretty smooth consistency. So what I'm doing right now is kind of shaking everything back down to where the blade is. Shake it a little bit more. I'm gonna make sure all of that is down. All right. All right, let's check it again. Oh, if I can get the top off. And I cannot get the top off. Hold on 1 second. Find my husband's. All right, there we go. It is now open. And I want you to see, look at this. I want you to see this vegan sour cream. Can you guys see that? Yeah, there you go. Yes, that's it. That's what we want. So we're going to scoop this out of this container, and we're going to put it into an airtight container and set it in the refrigerator and let it get chilled. All right, so make sure you come back for tonight. Tonight we're showing you how to make a vegan, here, I need to see you guys. There you are. Tonight we are making a vegan kale and bean chili, and we're going to put this vegan sour cream on top of it, okay? So make sure you come back tonight at 7 p.m. I look forward to seeing you. Until then, stay safe. Food and kisses. Chef Angela Michelle. I'll see you guys later. Take care.